Today we are going to review Backrobo C2 chair by AI Works Global. This is a new type of smart office chair with intelligent support that tracks your sitting time, provides lumbar heating to relieve lumbar fatigue, automatically or manually adjusts the strength of the lumbar support and automatically starts up when you sit in the chair. It adjusts to give you perfect posture every time you sit. It has many other features, but before we move ahead, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell notification icon for more product review videos. Let's open the box and see what's inside. You can find backrest assembly, seat cushion assembly, headrest, left arm, right arm, wheels, air rod, metal base, power adapter, screws and wrench and a user manual. Let's assemble Backrobo C2 Air Massage Office Chair. Backrobo C2 Smart Office Chair comes with optimal cushioning and support with the flexible design of the air chamber. It conforms perfectly to the contours of your back, providing customized comfort whether fully inflated or partially deflated. The U-shaped design offers ergonomic support for your waist, spine, and sides of your back, ensuring maximum comfort and relief during long periods of sitting. Backrobo C2 chair comes with polyamide, glass fiber, and polyurethane materials. The 3D armrests offer exceptional adjustability. They can be raised and lowered by 6 cm, moved forward and backward by 6 cm, and rotated left and right by 12 degrees. To ditch the hassle of manual adjustments found in traditional ergonomic chairs, the Backrobo Air Smart Chair ingeniously utilizes air chambers to effortlessly fine-tune the gap between your waist and the backrest. Experience seamless comfort as the chair adapts to your unique needs with ease. The advanced sensors ensure precise adjustments to your sitting position and angle, providing optimal lumbar support as the air chambers adapt. By manually adjusting the distance between the lumbar support and the backrest, you can customize your seating experience and have complete control over your comfort. The control panel, located on the left side of the chair, provides easy access to all of the chair's features, ensuring quick and easy adjustments to meet your needs. Backrobo app provides you with exclusive and tailored sitting experience, ensuring that your health and comfort are top priority. You can switch between manual and automatic modes seamlessly, allowing you to customize your seating experience. The Air Smart Chair keeps a watchful eye on your sitting time and uses inflation and deflation to remind you to stand up after an hour. Even if you choose to remain seated, the chair provides a 2-minute waist exercise to relieve spinal pressure that effectively alleviates pain. You can adjust lunch break mode with timed reminder. It will give you comfortable experience. With resting mode you can adjust your time reminder for regular waist relaxation. Backrobo chair reminds you to leave your seat and take a rest. You can enjoy the warmth and relaxation as it targets your lumbar area, providing a luxurious and comforting sensation. A detachable battery sustains 5 to 6 days on single charge. Its magnetic charging port is easy to use and safe. The U-shaped headrest has a curved surface that offers complete support and comfort to your neck, it preventing any tilting or turning of the head while resting. You can customize your sitting position for a personal and comfortable experience by rotating the Backrobo C2 chair in 360 degrees. The Backrobo C2 Smart Office Chair epitomizes the fusion of comfort, health consciousness, and technological ingenuity. By seamlessly blending intelligent features with ergonomic excellence, it addresses the evolving needs of modern work environments. Hope you like it. Product link is mentioned in the description. Before leaving, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell notification icon for more product review videos.